Here's how to start a grill if you don't have a lighter but you have a microwave transformer. I just bonded one of the secondaries to the frame of this grill, and I got the other secondary winding on this chicken stick, and it should arc to the metal. Oh yeah. All right. No. Get over here. Let's see if we can get him going. Can't believe that GFCI didn't trip yet.